Good morning, students. Welcome you to today's English class. We'll start that same chapter, Sound of Music, Part 2.3. As a 5-year-old, Bismillah Khan played Gilli Danda near a pond in the ancient estate of Dumrao in Bihar. He used to play Gilli Danda when he was 5 years old. He would regularly go to the nearby Bihariji temple to sing the Bhojpuri Chaita. He used to go to Bihariji temple to sing Bhojpuri Chaita, at the end of which he would earn a big laddu weighing 1.2 kg. Means he would get 1.2 kg laddu, from whom a prize given by the local Maharaja. He would receive it from the local Maharaja as a prize for his performance. This happened 8 years ago, and the little boy has travelled far to earn the highest civilian award in India, the Bharat Ratna. That little boy, Bismillah Khan, he has received the highest civilian award now in India, that is the Bharat Ratna award. Born on 21st March 1916, Bismillah belongs to a well-known family of musicians from Bihar. Bismillah Khan belonged to a well-known musicians family. He was born in Bihar. His grandfather, Rasul Baks Khan, was the Sehnai Nawaz of the Bhojpuri King's Court. Bismillah Khan's grandfather was a famous musician, Sahnai player at the Bhojpur King's Court. His father means Rasul Baks Khan's father means Bismillah Khan's great-grandfather. Paigambar Baks and other paternal ancestors were also great Sahnai players. His grandfather was a Sahnai player, his great-grandfather and also paternal ancestors, they were all Sahnai players. Bismillah Khans belonged to such a musician's family. The young boy took to music early in life. When he was a child, he took to music. At the age of 3, when his mother took him to his maternal uncle's house in Banaras. Now this Banaras place is known as Varanasi. When once Bismillah went to his maternal uncle's house, Bismillah was fascinated watching his uncles practice the Sahnai. He was attracted, fascinated, seeing his uncles practicing Sahnai. Soon Bismillah started accompanying his uncle. Means he gave company to his uncle. Who was his uncle? Ali Baks. To the Vishnu temple of Banaras, where Baks was employed to play the Sahnai. In the Vishnu temple in Banaras, his uncle Ali Baks was appointed as a Sahnai player, and Bismillah Khan used to go with him. Ali Baks would play the Sahnai, and Bismillah would all sit captivated, imprisoned, jailed. That way he would sit there for hours on end. Till the end, he would sit there with his uncle. Slowly, he started getting lessons in playing the instrument. Gradually, he learnt lessons in playing Sahnai and would sit practicing throughout the day. He used to sit, practice Sahnai throughout the day. For years to come, the temple of Balaji and Mangalamaya and the banks of the Ganga became the young apprentices. Apprentice means trainee. Who is this young trainee? Bismillah Khan. Young apprentice favorite haunts where he could practice in solitude, in loneliness. Means the places, the temple of Balaji and Mangalamaya and the banks of river Ganga All these places became Bismillah Khan's favorite haunts, visiting places, where he could practice Sahnai in loneliness. The flowing waters of the Ganga inspired him to improvise, to make out, to make something up, and invent ragas. Ragas means various tones, various ways of singing. Ragas that were or they are considered to be beyond the range of the Sahnai, which were earlier not possible to be composed on Sahnai. Bismillah Khan made it possible.